Hey Brady, my name's Tom. I own WFB Digital Solutions. Just want to get you this video to kind of show you some tips and tricks on how to improve your online presence. Some of the things I like to go over is content, backlinks, and citations. And the content that's related to is how Google finds you, how it pushes you up in the local search listings. Google likes to see at least 1,500 words on your front page. And looking at your page here, looks like you only have about maybe 250 words, 300 words. So something I would highly recommend is improving your content on your front page. At least, like I said, 1,500 words minimum. And then definitely want to do a lot more keywords. Because that's what Google looks for, is keywords to know what it's searching for, know what you're trying to basically sell or your products and services. Looking at your competition here, they don't have as much content either, so this is definitely very beatable. If you up your content and keywords, definitely beat your competition out on the searchability of your front page. The keyword is anything, so going back to keywords, anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product, and in your content can place keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So the next thing I like to go over is backlinks. The website I like to use is called Ahrefs. And what Ahrefs does, it shows you how many keywords you use, your organic traffic, the value of your organic traffic that's going through you monthly, how many backlinks you have, the trust, and the power that you have with Google. The trust you have is 18 out of 100, power is 0.3 out of 100. Showing you have 42 organic keywords and 223 backlinks. Your organic traffic a month is 6, and your organic traffic value is 7. And this is all due because, unfortunately, you're not on the front page of Google, first page, when searching for Boise Fence Companies Boise. Fence Companies Boise. That's what I use to find you. Fence Company Boise, and you unfortunately were not on the front page. So looking at your competition here, Boise River Fence, they have 241 organic keywords, 13,000 backlinks. Their trust is 28 out of 100, but their power is only 3.3 out of 100. So it's definitely very beatable in terms of doing more on your backlinks, doing more on your content and keywords on your front page. I definitely would recommend a lot more back pages. It looks like you only have our work, about us, and contact us, and so in order to beat your competition who has a lot more back pages, I would definitely recommend getting a lot more back pages. Go over the different types of products you sell, different areas that you serve. Like each one of those topics needs to have its own back page with its own content and keywords, which will boost your ranking in Google a lot faster. So again, that shows that they have 13,000 backlinks, but not all backlinks are created equal, because it just depends on how strong the backlinks are. They could be getting hurt by some of the backlinks that they use because it's not related to their field. And that's one thing you got to look at. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable hyperlink text. So these links act like an endorsement website from others, in which Google uses to build a trust in your business by seeing others vouch for you. However, not all links are created equal, like I was saying. It's because it's worth noting the relevance of your industry, and local websites will work best. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins. People looking at your website, pointing at them. So it definitely would be easily beatable. Just improving your content, keywords, backlinks on your website would easily outdo your top competitor, Boise River Fence, on their website, on the Google ranking. Last thing I'd like to go over is citations. With citations, basically, you go onto Google, Google search Fence Company Boise. You see ads, and then you see this map pack here. It's called the Google Map Pack. And how do you rank on the Google Map Pack? It looks like you already have been, which is awesome. So it wouldn't be too hard to improve this a little bit more and even be on #1 top right here on the Google Map Pack. So how you rank on Google Map Pack is using citations. And citations is anywhere your business name and number and address are shown exactly how they are registered on the Google business profile. Citations help you rank in this map pack, for which are extremely important for local businesses like yourself, since these can generate huge amounts of revenue, because it's the first thing people see right here. Even on your mobile phones, go on to Google Maps, search in business, you'd be the first one to pop up. And that's what you want. You want to be the first one that people see when they're looking for fence. Citations also include how to get more citations. You list your stuff on directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Yellow Pages, White Pages. Even Facebook has its own directory you can use for free. And then any social media accounts will also help a great deal. The idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. So once Google sees that you're more often than the competitors, the more likely you're going to be ranked above them, which is exactly what you want. So again, you get your content, backlinks, citations together, and start outgrowing your competitors. That's where you want to be looking at, and this is, why it's worth it. So this is what I do. This is what I do for a living. I create this video for you to help you start generating leads online. I hope this is, very informational or educational. Hopefully you can put this to use and start improving your online ranking on Google, start seeing more leads. If you do find yourself wanting more to continue selling as far as you want, or scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out and I can help you with some more information, or I can even talk about your goals. You can do the research to find out exactly what would be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach your goals. If you find this information useful, you like what you hear, want to know more, have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, 208-402-8268. Again, my name is Tom. I own WFB Digital Solutions. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for listening. Hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.